Hi, my name is Pushdeep Sandhu, and this recording is for Lab 5, Com 380. So, the first question we had here was in a strip that Stanford Research Institute's problem solver, mainly for AI problems. So, what's in the strip? So, we have precondition and the effects. So precondition are the things that must be true for to an action to take place, and effects it describe that how would the world changes once the action is done. Second question was the assumption. Assumption is that the action can only change what they say, and everything else remain unchanged in the world. So the third was like asking for like example of constraints in CSP planning. So the first was precondition constraint. These make sure that an action can only happen if it's required condition is true. Same as like first one. So action is only happen when like preconditions are met. And the second thing is the effect constraint. Uh, this makes sure that actions effect are correctly applied to the next state. So example, moving from A to B, you should be at B and no longer at A. So it's just basic things. And for part two, we had a simple problem in my AI space that we have to download using a URL. And this actually is the other version. So in the original thing, we do not have these arcs here from these home arcs. And it asks like what's the starting point and what's the goal. So here are the screenshots. Starting point is home and we have to go to UBC. So in the URL it says UBC, but our the question PDF says UFV, so it has to be corrected. So this asks for precondition to go by bike. So the precondition was to go by bike is to have bike, and then he asks for the post condition. The post condition is that we are at UBC or UFV, whatever. And then we had to make some changes. So these arrows, we have to set a precondition that to go by bike and to go by car, we have to be at home first. So after adding this precondition, we had to run the file, setting at horizon at 1 and using auto arc consistency. It will open up a new window here. It was this window, I have run it already. And we can run it again. Just normal solution, I have to reset it. And then we auto solve it. But the third question was, the last question here was like, what would get removed? So after running it so many times, I think nothing will get removed. The go by bike and the go by car condition will be there if we stay at home. That's all. Thank you.